Hello everyone! The Binance platform also offers a content creation section similar to other social networks. Some creators post very useful content regarding predictions of cryptocurrency price rises or falls, so it's helpful to follow them. Today, I'll show you how to follow Binance Creators. Open the Binance app and log into your account. Then, click on the square button. Here you can explore posts from various Binance accounts. Use the search icon located in the top right corner of the screen for search purposes. Enter the name of a user or another search term in the search field. Here are the search results for the word euro. Scroll down to view other search results. If you click on the name of the post creator, their profile page will open. If you want to follow them, click the yellow follow button. Below, you will also be offered creators you might want to follow. When you return to the Square homepage, click on the following tab to see the creators you follow. Scroll down to see their latest posts. And that's it for this video. Subscribe to our channel for more digital tutorials and tips.